Hello guys, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to import SVG in Android Studio. You just don't need to Control C and Control V. It is wrong. It will not work. So what we need to do is right click Tribal, New, Vector Asset. SVG needs to be imported as Vector Asset. Import it from your given file. Okay, select this one to import SVG. Now rename it and adjust the DP size according to your need. Next, finish. You can see SVG is imported. This is our SVG. So, how to use it? View, match parent, give it forward STP, background. So you can see your SVG is imported here. What you can see is SDP I am using. So basically it is this dependency. So what it will does is when you load your app into bigger screen or small screen, it will not make mess of your application. It will adjust itself according to the screen of your mobile. So this is very useful and it is used by most of the professionals. So as a tip for you, use this SSP and SSD dependency.